Namaskar India, you're watching Great India News. Hi, I'm Rishabh Jaiswal. Today we just got a big breaking news. Corona is still breaking havoc for the first time in India. 4,200 people death in a day. How many new cases were received? The country has been described in new cases of coronavirus in the past 1-2 days, but tension is still being sustained due to increasing number of deaths. Corona deaths in India have broken all records so far, and this is the first time that 4,200 people have lost their lives in single day. In the country, new cases of the coronavirus infection in India increased to 3.42 lakhs, and with the total cases of infection in the country increased to 2 crore 33 lakhs 14,428. Vaccination: only 2 crore doses of vaccine for purpose by stated center set quarters. The formulas of vaccine distribution has been said by the central government before the Supreme Court. According to this, the state government will be given around 2 crore doses in May of population in 18 to 44 age groups. It has also said that 85 crore doses of vaccination is expected to be produced this month. The center is said that it also set quotas for the doses that state need to buy directly from vaccination manufacturers. That central government has said that these 2 crore doses will be sent the state based on the number of people in the age group of 18 to 44 to ensure that the doses is distributed evenly. Let us use that some states have completed that they're allocated in infections. EID 2021: don't hug or shake hands, just say from distance. Eid Mubarak. Eid ul-Fitr will be held on 13 or 14 May. It is not decided yet, but this Eid time COVID-19 will be separated protocol and simplicity from Pakistan. There will be namaz and public programs in the mosques. Muslims religious people will be neither impressed nor do musafa. Handshake. Eid will be greeted from a distance. SI of Delhi Police saves 21-week pregnant by donating plasma. DSI station at Roopnagar police station in the capital Delhi saved the corona infection 21-week-old pregnant woman by giving plasma. The woman plasma thanks the Delhi police and SI. Asked for improving the conditions. Thanks for watching my these videos. We are meet again our next videos. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.